always tell people, when you are expressing your devotion towards the enlightened masters, invariably they always turn the devotion towards yourself. The other day, one of our devotees was telling me, Swamiji, when I started trusting you, suddenly I realized, now I am able to trust myself. In India, last December, we all had fire walking ceremony, walking on the fire. It is just to express the power of devotion and the trust. Before the ceremony, everybody had the tremendous trust over me because I am the first one to walk. I walked first and then everybody followed me. After the ceremony, one of our devotees, she was sharing, Swamiji, before the fire walking, I trusted you. After the fire walking, now I am able to trust myself. There are so many people here who walked on the fire. There are so many sitting here who did that fire walking. Please raise your hand. Let us see how many of... Big number who came to the ashram and did the fire walking. People were shocked. Please be very clear. It's a long distance, at least 21 feet, and live charcoal, and you can't escape. You can't escape. Long 21 feet burning. 8 hours earlier itself we burned that, so that it will be a live charcoal. Strong wood and live charcoal. The bed is prepared in a very traditional way. 21 feet length, at least 21 feet length, and you walk on that fire barefoot. That's important. Don't think with shoes or socks, barefoot. Even socks is not allowed. She told me, Swamiji, before the fire walking, I trusted you. Now I am able to trust myself. Real master does this only. He turns the devotion towards you. When you are devoted to him, he just turns the whole energy to yourself. Shiva is turning the whole devotion towards yourself, which is constantly available to you in every moment in the center of 2 junctions of breath. The center of 2 junctions of breath, every moment you experience the space without identity, but you are afraid to be without identity. That is why you don't relax in that space. You just jump and catch the other breath. Between the incoming breath and the outgoing breath, you have that neutral space where there is no breath and no mind. You are self without identity. You are afraid to be without identity. That's why you just take a fast forward jump. You don't relax in that space. You are not happy with that space. You are not comfortable with that space because identity means life for you. Especially for the Western mind, they can't think themselves without having an identity. They can give up anything but not the identity. That is the basic thing. But I tell you, when you relax from the identity which you are showing to the outer world and which you are showing to yourself, you will experience the ultimate self, the enlightenment, which is yourself, which is beyond your identities. Both identities, identity which you are showing to the outer world, behind which constantly you are running, to keep which constantly you are dying, the identity which you are showing to yourself, on which you are constantly working, which constantly nags you, both are pure lies. No, impure lies. Be very clear. Both are lies. You are constantly suffering with lies. You are constantly wasting your life with lies. You are constantly struggling with lies. Now Shiva is putting you in the space where truth expresses itself beyond the lies. He is leading you from the fact to the truth. He is giving you the ultimate technique with utmost devotion. Center on the two junctions of breath. Know the knower. Let us enter into the meditation technique. After 5 minutes of gap, let you have small break of 5-10 minutes. Then we will enter into the great technique, ultimate technique by Shiva to experience, to know the knower. Thank you.